Welcome class 8. In today's video we are going to discuss about timbre or also called as quality. So a timbre or quality of a sound is that characteristics which distinguishes different types of sound even if their loudness and pitch is same. Okay, if the pitch and loudness are same, how can we understand that these are the two different sounds? Let's say the different sound of let's say the musical instruments, okay, a piano and a guitar. Okay, if they are playing the same sound, same music, but even though we can understand that this is the sound of a piano and this is the sound of a guitar, okay, that we can understand because of timbre or also known as quality of that particular sound. So over here I am going to show you a quick example, okay, of an organ. Okay, organ is the instrument that is played in the church. Okay, organ and piano. So here listen to this instrument, organ. So over here this was the sound of an organ. Okay, and here is the same music being played by a piano. Okay, so listen to this. All right, so the first one was the sound of organ and the second one was the sound of piano. Even though both the instruments played the same music, both were equally loud, okay, we came to know somehow that these two instruments are sounding different. They are sounding different because of this timbre or also known as quality, which distinguishes the two different sounds, okay, even though if their loudness and pitch is same. So a sound does not have a single frequency, even when I'm talking, okay, when I'm talking I don't have a single frequency. Okay, even if a musical instrument plays a single note, that single note may also not be of single frequency. It has many frequencies mixed together. All right, so when it is, a mixture of different frequencies, then it will have a kind of pitch. Okay, it will have a characteristic pitch. If we are talking about a musical instrument, even if a single note is played, that particular note will have a definite pitch, and the main frequency of this pitch will be determined, which determines the quality of that pitch, is called the fundamental frequency. Okay, so the fundamental frequency is actually the main frequency, okay, which determines how the pitch will sound. And the other frequencies which are mixed together with this fundamental frequency, okay, are just the integral multiples of the fundamental frequency. Now you need to understand what integral multiples mean. Multiple means it's the a number getting multiplied by the other numbers. Okay, integral means it has to be of integer. So suppose let's say a frequency of, you know the fundamental frequency is f. Okay, then the integral multiple can be the multiple of f with 2, or it can be the multiple of f with 3, or with 4, or with 5, and so on. Okay, so the other frequencies will be the integral multiple of fundamental frequency, means it can be either of 2f, 3f, 4f, 5f, or so on. But the first, fundamental frequency f is called as the first harmonic. Okay, that means the second frequency 2f will be called as the second harmonic. and 3F will be third harmonic, and it will move on. Okay, so the first harmonic is actually the fundamental frequency. Then the second and third or fourth or any other harmonics, which are the integral multiples of the fundamental frequencies, those will be called as the overtones. So overtones are simply the integral multiples of the fundamental frequency. Okay, so second harmonic, third harmonic, or even fourth or fifth harmonics can be called as the overtones. Next we have waveform. As I said, different instruments, even though if they play the same music, even if their loudness are same, the pitch is same, they will have a different waveform. Okay, so over here you can see this is the waveform of flute. Now this waveform is also not a waveform of a single note. It's a the bunch of mixture of many frequencies. So waveform of the piano of the same things, of the same note, of the same loudness is given by this wave. And for a trumpet, the same thing being played by trumpet has this kind of waveform. Okay, so you can see the differences. This differences means that they have different quality or different timbre. So the waveform is actually the characteristics that makes a particular sound of different quality. So the sound of a musical instrument is the combination of different frequencies. Thus, a waveform is obtained by superposition of different vibrations, which makes the quality of the sound. So over here, there are so many frequencies that has been mixed, and by superimposing all those frequencies together, this kind of waveform is obtained, and this waveform is actually the reason for different quality of the sound. Okay, so a flute, a piano, and trumpet will sound different because they have different waveform, and this different waveform is because of the different kind of frequencies, the combination of frequencies they have for that particular sound. Okay, that is the mixture of different frequencies, and that creates a different waveform, and that different waveform have the makes the different quality or timbre of the sound. So different vibrating bodies have different quality of sound. Okay, so because of this difference in the timbre, they have the difference in the sound, and the difference in the sound is because of the difference in the waveform. All right, so this is what we have for timbre. Thank you.